If you're a smaller creator or you're just getting started on YouTube, you're probably asking yourself the same question I've asked over and over again, which is, can I actually make any money on YouTube? Is it possible? Is it worth the effort? I'm putting in a lot of sweat. I'm putting in a lot of time. Am I gonna get anything out of it? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made $3,000 in value. Part of that's cash, part of it's from a trade across 4 income streams, and I'm gonna break them all down for you. I'm gonna share my CPM. I'm gonna share the behind the scenes analytics on YouTube Studio. So we're gonna break down the revenue portion of it, but I'm also going to show you the retention time, which made a difference in why I made a decent amount of money through this video. So without further ado, let's dive in behind the scenes and take a look at the stats in YouTube Studio. So this is my YouTube channel. I create things, burn things, build things with my kids, and focus on fatherhood. And we're going to dive into the analytics for this specific YouTube video. This video got 214,700 views, but that's not the number you came for. The total I earned was $3,026.78 across 4 different income streams. Now I'm going to go ahead and break each one of these down. About half of that is cash value and the other half is from a product. Now this is the most important part. Most people, when they're thinking about monetizing YouTube, they're focusing only on the revenue through AdSense, but that only made up about 40% of the value I got from this video. So the first income stream is the revenue that I made through the watch pages. So as you can see right here, I made $1,211.35 from the watch pages. So that's the part where YouTube paid me as a YouTube partner. I actually had a YouTube short that got 19 million views. So I hit the 10 million views on shorts threshold before I hit the 4,000 watch hours. But it was actually this video that pushed me way over the 4,000 watch hours that I needed to become a YouTube partner. So in the partner program, they pay you as a YouTube partner, and that's what you see right here. So this is the money I'm making when advertisers are paying. The CPM was $20.20, which is pretty high. CPM stands for cost per milli, or what advertisers pay for 1,000 views. But I don't get all of that. YouTube gets their cut, which is 45%, and there's a couple other factors involved, which means that my RPM, or revenue per milli, what I make for 1,000 views is $6.83. But that $6.83 isn't just for the watch pages. It also includes the $253.07 I made from the second income stream, which is the YouTube affiliate program, which is super nice because it's built right into YouTube. Once you get approved for the YouTube affiliate program, you're able to tag products in your videos. And so in this case, I was able to tag a bunch of products that were directly related to this project, and people were able to click through and buy it right there. And then I don't have to track any of that. YouTube just ends up adding that into the total amount that I made for the video. And some of the partners with YouTube affiliates pay you between 10 and 20%, which is higher than most other affiliate programs anyway. And it's way easier for people to buy it right through there. So I like adding those in when it makes sense. That takes a $1,211.35 from the watch pages, combines it with $253.07, bringing the total to $1,464.42 that I made on this video directly from YouTube. And that brings us to the third revenue stream, which is the Lowe's Creator Program. And so I've been accepted into the Lowe's Creator Program. Once you've gotten a social following, you can apply. It's really cool because sometimes they give you incentives for the quarter and just pay you a little bit of extra money. Sometimes they let you get a gift card to go buy products in the store, and all of that on top of including the links where you're able to make up to 20% commission. So it's a really great affiliate program. It's actually been one of my favorite affiliate programs that I've done so far. It beats the Amazon affiliates or influencer program by a long shot as far as the amount of money that you make from it. This amount right here, the $62.36, was what I made from that particular video. That came from putting my Lowe's affiliate links to a storefront that had products from this project, which made it super easy for people to click through and buy directly through my affiliate link. I put that in the description, and that's how I was able to make that extra $62. The fourth income stream wasn't cash. We partnered with Liquid Rubber on this video, and they sent me $1,500 worth of product for a project I was already going to need to do. And so I could either go out and buy the product on my own, or I could reach out to Liquid Rubber and see if they would partner. Now, this is an area that is overlooked by a lot of small creators. When you're just starting out, getting people to pay you cash to sponsor your videos is a little bit more difficult. A lot of times you need a bigger following and it takes some experience to negotiate those contracts. I'm still working through that myself. I have had a few smaller paid partnerships, but I've gotten a lot of really amazing deals where companies will send me products or tools to test out, and I'll make a video around those tools. For instance, I was able to get this really cool robot mower from Yarbo, and they actually reached out to me for that particular project. And so you definitely don't want to overlook this as a small channel. And the amazing thing is now I have this sponsored video where I got $1,500 in product. So the next time I do a sponsored video like this, I'm going to have a lot more leverage to negotiate them paying me cash on top of sending me the product. And so as a small creator, definitely start as soon as you can reaching out to try to partner with brands. That way you can start building those early relationships with them and getting some clear wins so you have something to show when you go to negotiate for a cash payment in the future. Now, keep in mind that this video wasn't just some massive viral hit. It's actually been a slow and steady growth, which has been great because I've been getting more views and making more money month over month, which has been a nice little boost to my income. So the number one reason that this video did well was the intro. We're going to jump over to the engagement tab and look at retention, where the real golden number lies. And it's right here. It's the intro. At 30 seconds, 62% of people were still watching this video. And that is a huge reason why this did well. Before you go, there is a takeaway that I think is really important on this video. And that is to diversify. If you're just looking to make money from AdSense, you're really limiting yourself. And so look for ways that you can get income from different areas. That's the watch pages. It's the YouTube affiliate. It's other affiliates, sponsorships, or if your niche is right, you could sell your own products or sell courses, or there's all kinds of different ways to be making money. And I have to say, the most fun money that I've ever made is from creating content and getting paid for ad revenue, but that isn't the only way to make money. Even though it is the most fun way, in my opinion, to make money, it is not necessarily the most consistent or easiest way to really boost your income. It is nice to make an extra $1,400. I was actually able to take my wife on a fun trip to Florida, and we used some of the money from this video to pay for it. So that was super fun, some extra bonus money coming in from YouTube. But when you think about it, if you're just going for that YouTube ad revenue, you're missing out. And you can't get it until you either hit the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers or 10 million shorts views, which I kind of just got lucky to hit that in a 90-day period. Otherwise, you've got to hit that 4,000 watch hours, which when you're a small channel is kind of hard, but you can start making money sooner than that with affiliate links and creating a business around your channel. So anything you can do to get creative and start reaching out to companies to sponsor your video is going to help you out a lot to boost your content. If you are a creator and you've started to make money on YouTube, I'd love to hear how it's going from the YouTube partnership side, but if you have a creative way that you're starting to bring in money as a creator, I'd love to hear it. It is a long process and a lot of work to get things going and make money as a creator, but it is so much fun. And so I would love to hear from any of you out there who are currently making money or you're aspiring to. What are you working on? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next video. Wait. Before you go, check out my channel at Joseph D. Lewin to watch more of the DIY videos and subscribe to Sell Through Social as I'm building out my creator partnerships